Before ngingena emaplayini bafethu khona into engi-frustrate-ayo la ngiloke ngibona ama-message ethi uphindana ney'tori kwasha kwacima. Mawurida isokha laduma abakutsheli into oyaziyo kuqala before bangena kulama-line awu-6 nje kuphela ongawazi. Bakwenzela kanjalo but you know, you don't complain kusokha laduma. That's how you tell a story, you give a point of reference ukuthi mangikhuluma ngovele bayo always mention ukuthi ubuya ku-Cape Town Spurs. Cape Town Spurs kube ney'nkinga and then ngingenele kule nto le engizoyisho on the day, right? You guys are not paying for a membership fee. You're not paying low 18 rand or 20 rand a month, but again, nifuna complain. I have to make a long form content ukuthi ngenze imali kangconywana lana ku-YouTube yokwazi ukuphilisa ukuthi you guys don't even know that I'm supposed bekune opportunity enkulu ukuthi ngisebenzele i-soccer beat. Kune opportunity enkulu ukuthi angazi ngithola ama-email awungakho over 10 every single day. Abantu bathi ngipartnerishe nabo ngibathengisele i-page, but I'm not selling this page because of ngifuna uku-create i-platform e-independent ukuthi siziripotele iy'ndaba ngendlela yethu, ngendlela yami, sibe nama-honest conversation because of khona bebafuna le page leli bafuna ukulithatha, bafuna ukulithenga. I got an offer, a serious offer like, but-ke bebafuna ukulithenga at the same time bangiqashe ukuthi ngiba-breakele down iy'ndaba, but-ke bafuna ukungilawula ukuthi ngiziripote kanjani. I rejected that thing because of ngifuna ukukhipha independent voices yami, independent voice yami. So if ngizolalelana nabantu kusho ukuthi le page lizonyamalala mos. I can easily sell this page ngiziqalele enye i-content e-different, but-ke because I wanted to create the community. And then if wena awuthandi ukuthi I give a point of reference kwezinye izinto bafethu, it's okay mangithi ngicela ni-like ni-subscribe. Umuntu makangayithandi i-content mayimdina, amaningi ama-page bafethu, to be honest. I appreciate bonke abantu, they've been with me on the journey, but-ke maningi ama-page. Angifuni nami umuntu wami kudala ngitshela athi yekela lento yakhe ebhola, vula i-page eli-serious izokwenzela imali e-serious because of, do you know, like every day I have to drop, let's say 10 videos ukwenza couple of hundreds ukuthi ngibone ukuthi akufani-ke kusebenzekile namhlanje. Easy ngalithengisa le page but angilithengisi. Ama-offers maningi. So if iy'tori zizorepetheka ezinye but i-point of reference nokuthi kumele ngenze manje ama-minutes amore ukuthi la ku-YouTube uhola imali engathi ihlakaniphile if wenza into over 10 minutes or over 8 minutes, khona kuzoba nama-ads are-different. You don't even watch ads, niyawaskipha, meaning that we don't make that much in terms of imali. So bafowethu as-understandaneni. If you want me here, I know other people, a lot of people appreciate me breaking these stories, but-ke khona le ama-message lawa amancane umuntu ayamphula inhliziyo lawa ama-message cause anginayo inkinga ukuthi abantu babe nama-opinion bangi-attack-e njengoba bangi-attack-a ngakhona if ngizokhuluma nge-player, but umuntu mangathi uzothi ngiphindana ney'tori isokha, hamba kusokha laduma manje ubheke ukuthi isitori lesabashobo if bakhuluma let's ngovele baye bazoqala ku-Cape Town Spurs before bangena kule nto le bazokutshela kuya, kodwa nikaze ngabatshela leyo nto leyo. Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. Nginilethela zonke ze-Kaizer Chiefs nanokuthi abantu ba-react bathini on the ground. Ngizoqala nje ngoMorris nama-players amanye potential angahamba. Khona i-defender elingahamba ku-Kaizer Chiefs or ama-defender angahamba, sobona ukuthi isizini izohamba kanjani, but mayiphela isizini bazorelease abantu abambalwa laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. And then khona i-winger ezohamba nayo ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Lo 100% kuyahamba ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Asingeneni kuzo-ke bafethu. So vula lana ngobaba lana ubabiyela bafethu oke waba yi-striker laphana kudala naye ese-Kaizer Chiefs. Uke wakhuluma ngoMorris laphana earlier on this year ekhuluma ngokuthi uMorris khona ama-players mana angaqualify ukudlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs, ukuthi hhayi ukuthi lonke iplayer lingakwazi ukudlalela i-team enkulu njenge-Kaizer Chiefs. So uthi nje wathuka naye ukubona i-Kaizer Chiefs isayina uMorris. Mawuthi uyabheka i-pedigree kaMorris nerecord lakhe, i-consistency, uyastruggle ukushaya amagoli. Uthi ukusayinwa kwaMorris laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs bekuyiphutha elikhulu, bekuyinto engamelanga ngabe yenzekile. Uyaqhubeka-ke laphana bafethu ubaba uThembinkosi Biyela. Uthi mawubheka irekhodi la Morris ayikho impressive. Ngeke ngasho ukuthi uMorris bafethu wakora 5 goals in 5 years. Cabanga na uthi la uMorris wasayinelwa nje into eyodwa kuphela ukuthi washaya igoli against i-Kaizer Chiefs that time edlalela i-SuperSport United first half of the season last season. Wasayinelwa nje lowo nje kuphela, akukho okunye asayinelwa kona. That's embarrassing bafethu if yinto i-Kaizer Chiefs eyabheka ukuthi hawu lo muntu wakora against thina and then bamsayina. Nah, Morris is not well equipped ukuthi abe ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Okay, siqhubeke ngobaba lana ubiyela ukuthi uthini. Uthi-ke ufila ngathi-ke also uyamdefend uMorris kancane, uthi ufila ngathi i-Kaizer Chiefs ayisebenzisi uMorris according to i-strength sakhe. Uthi uyi-target man but i-Kaizer Chiefs i-expect ukuthi adlale uMorris njenge-mobile striker, kusho ukuthi aye le nale. Same thing lento le abayenza ngoSilva ukuthi uyasuka ebhokisini no-Ighodaro straight, uyi-target, bayama-target man le striker lezo-3, kumele lihlale lapha close to the box. But ubabona le ko-center, ubabona emasayidini, ubabone all over the pitch, kusho ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ayikwazi uku-utilize noma ukudlalisa i-striker lezi enazo according to i-strength ze-striker. But-ke uyaqhubeka laphana uthi i-Kaizer Chiefs they don't provide enough crosses laphana into the box, which does not suit his style of play. So ama-player afana nabo-Morris, nabo-Silva, nabo-Ighodaro uyacrossa bafowethu kakhulu. I-Kaizer Chiefs ayilifaki ibhola le-18, bafuna ukudlala ama-1-1-1 baze bofika le nasemasayidini. uLilepo kukaye ngakho ubona uLilepo athatha ibhola athi cross, athatha ibhola athi cross, noModi mebamba ibhola athi cross, uvele baye kuphela. Sengibone kuvele baye kuphela lento leyo, taking players on, crossing the ball because of uya-understand ukuthi laphana eboxini khona u-Ighodaro. So kumele ba-change i-style of play. Justin Sirena I'm impressed by yena ukuthi ukwazile ukucrossa twice, acrossela u-Ighodaro, wakwazi nokucrossela noSilva. uSilva-ke elinye wakwazi ukulishaya phakathi ibhola laphana. So they have to cross more balls bafowethu cause banama-target man akhona laphana angakwazi ukudeliver for i-Kaizer Chiefs. I-striker azilethelwanga ukuthi zizoba i-mobile strikers or bakwazi ukumaka, bakwazi uku-tracker back. No, khona i-striker esilethelwe nje ukuthi sihlale laphana e-18 era sikhosi i-havoc for amalokhu njani ama-defender. Umuntu umdlalisa according to i-strength sakhe bafowethu. Uthi that is why-ke uMorris laphana face anama-challenges noma ney'nkinga laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. It all trickles down to ukuthi abamdlalisi according to i-strength sakhe. Obviously i-Kaizer Chiefs kumele bazi ukuthi bafuna ukudlala ibhola elinjani nanokuthi abantu ababasayinayo bafuna ukubadlalisa ibhola elinjani. But-ke washo laphana earlier on vele ubabiyela laphana ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs kumele ithole i-strike esi-better than uMorris. Well, batholile i-strike ezi-better than uMorris to be fair. Bathole u-Ighodaro, uSilva, uMayo plus nabo plus-ke ukhona uDuba, khona uDuprizi, khona uHlongwane, manje khona uBatman. So laphana phambili they are spoiled in terms of ukuba nama-players like a-different angakwazi uku-contribute kakhulu for i-team. So they can't complain. Isikhathi soku-complain asikho ngempela for i-Kaizer Chiefs this time around. Ukuthi abana-team enough well equipped. Asingeneni ku-right wing bafowethu, umuntu ozoyishiya i-Kaizer Chiefs. La ngikhuluma ngeplayer elina-22 years, uDonay Jansen. Abantu abaningi abamazi, especially laba abangalilandeleli ibhola kakhulu. Iplayer lela balipromotha what? A season ago laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs ku-first team. Umfana ku-professional setup ku-Kaizer Chiefs or noma ku-first team udlala amagame awu-2 and then uSuperSport ngathi udlala awu-3. Yeah, udlala amagame awu-5 kuphela nje professional, but more than a year bampromotha laphana ku-first team. That is why bamlona ku-SuperSport United. SuperSport United wahluleka ukudlala. So they are looking to offload umfana laphana because ku-first team akana chance ukuthi adlale. Why umfana angena chance ukuthi adlale laphana ku-first team? Because of udlala i-right wing and laphana ku-wing khona ama-players enza kahle kakhulu. So kusho ukuthi akana chance ukuthi adlale laphana ku-first team, ukuthi that is why laphana ku-DDC team. So mawubheka kunoVelebayi abakhompyutha naye, kunoVilakazi abakhompyutha naye, kunoLilepo abakhompyutha naye or yena ngithi akhompyutha nabo. Kunama-player amaningi laphana ku-department yokuba i-winger laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Bit of versatility from Augustine Sirino, siyazi ukuthi naye uyakwazi ukudlala i-wing. uVelebayi both sides uyakwazi ukudlala, even uMdu uyakwazi ukudlala ukuba laphana ku-wing. So that is why mabebheka laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs babona umfana ukuthi akanayo i-chance ukuthi adlale ku-Kaizer Chiefs. So babhekile ukuthi bam-offload umfana coming next transfer market uJanuary or bazolinda ukuthi kuphele isizini and then bahlale nabafana one-on-one kube ne-meeting. Because of you can't keep umfana una-20 next year unangakhi, is it next year lana 23 khona ne? So and the early next year ngaboma-March una-23 DDC team siyazi ukuthi ama-rules wakhona ahamba kanjani, but he can still qualify even next year ukudlala ku-DDC team, but bampromota lo muntu lo sekunesikhathi bampromota. So bekumele ngabe seyadlala noma ngabe i-team player laphana coming from the bench laphana ku-first team, but akwenzekanga lokho, meaning that usemuva ngempela. So they don't see that much of i-future kumfana. That is why babheke ukuthi bamrelease umfana, i-opportunity mivele ukuthi bamrelease. Masibheka laphana even ama-strikers waku-Kaizer Chiefs, uMorris lo bengikhuluma ngaye earlier on, naye is expected ukuthi ayishiye i-Kaizer Chiefs. Asazi ukuthi i-settlement yabo kuzokwenziwa njani because i-contract yakhe iphela 2027, but noMorris dala, I don't know why Kaizer Chiefs ingamhambisanga ngempela because of i-Durban City beyimfuna uMorris, but bona they decided otherwise. Bazosikhatha isquad, maningi ama-player engiwabonayo la engibonayo ukuthi these ones won't make it. And masingeneni ku-defense bafethu, ku-defense khona i-defender elizohamba ku-Kaizer Chiefs, that's for sure. I was told namhlanje ukuthi khona i-defender elizohamba ku-Kaizer Chiefs season mayiphela. Sazi ukuthi kuzohamba between uGiven Msimango, or if uDotla ka-recover kwi-injury yakhe, they can't have umuntu for 2 years ohlele ebhentshini phela bambekezelele. But-ke asazi i-relationship yabo ne-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi injani, cause uDotla is still 23, so angakwazi ukurecover from i-injury yakhe. uZitha Kwinika kune-chance enkulu ukuthi ahambe ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Why? Not because of akaperform, no. Let's put that right bafowethu, not because of akaperform. uZitha Kwinika this season uperforme kahle kakhulu, and bekumele ahambe isizini le meyiphela le ephelile, but-ke akahambanga bamnika i-renewal after ama-game wakhe lawa asekugcineni ukuthi ukwazile ukudlala kahle kakhulu umfana, so wahlala laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. But they are linked to ama-quality defenders are different. Asithi uThabo Mloyisani lo abangamthola mahhala if bayamthola, and then khona uTore naye bangamthola mahhala if bayamthola. So if baqinisa laphana emuva or ba-ede another defenders laphana, other defenders laphana emuva, kusho ukuthi kumele kuvuleke isikhala from abantu sokunesikhathi belaphana. Even uGiven Msimango kuphuma ama-reports ukuthi if uzohluleka ukudlala this season, then there is no hope for yena. Kaizer Chiefs they would be forced ukuthi bamrelease. And uGiven Msimango, there was a time la bamba khona abayi-captain ye-Kaizer Chiefs abamba ibhande, but-ke isikhathi sakhona saphazamiswa ama-injury isikhathi sakhe salaphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Maybe kusamele abuild i-confidence kuqala before abuyele ethimini, cause even ucoach we-Kaizer Chiefs uBen Yusuf ushilo ukuthi hayi, uMsimango manje uready, ukhona laphana ne-team, but is working on his fitness. So yeah, so far laphana ku-goalkeeping department uPeterson obalidayo ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Donay uyahamba, uzojoyina yiphi team Donay Jansen? Cishe ngakhohlwa le. I was told there's asengikhathele ukukhuluma ngale play, but na into ebuya straight eNaturena kumuntu osebenza eNaturena ukuthi they have been trying to release uHappy Mashiyane ku-Kaizer Chiefs for 2 years, but-ke through i-dialogue ukuthi bahlale naye phansi, ekugcineni ba-decide ukuthi bamgcine because of naye uyathanda ukudlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs, and mhlawumbe into abamzwela ngayo kakhulu ukuthi ukhulele khona in terms of like i-DDC team. Ngiqala umbona ku-DDC team umfethu. So there is no future at the moment for yena ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Akabonakali ezabadlali ku-Kaizer Chiefs abamisele ukuthi mhlampe bamgcine or abuye laphana ku-loan, no. Thiwa umdlali abambhekile laphana if wenza kangcono ku-loan abangambuyisa uZwane because of isikhathi futhi neminyaka isasesisayidini lakhe. Umfana kuma-early 20s, so umuntu ngempela ongakwazi ukubasiza ku-Kaizer Chiefs if he can up his game, because of naye kumele aphe igame yakhe serious, then-ke they can start being introducing him to the team, reintroducing him to the team, ukumlona laphana kuswelele, bathemba ukuthi mhlampe lo nto izommotivate ukuthi akwazi ukulwa. But if naye uyastruggle for i-game time kuswelele FC, then ngeke bakwazi ukumbuyisa nanokuthi-ke babuild-e i-future around yena. So bona bafethu kuzoba nzima kakhulu for amajita, kuzoba nzima kakhulu for ama-player amaningi, but yeah, i-Kaizer Chiefs izo-offload-a ama-player, kumele i-add more quality next season. Danko bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, making sure ukuthi le page ilifika ku-15,000 subscribers. Okay, ilegend la ku-Orlando Pirates bafethu uTebza, noma ngithi uTeboho Mokoena, uyakhala ngale ndaba le yokuhambisa kwaThabiso Munyane aye ku-Kaizer Chiefs, or bamrelease and then ajoyine i-Kaizer Chiefs. Uthi aka-understand, obvious akawazi ama-dynamics nama-factors laphana behind the scenes ukuthi why bamdedelile. Uthe ukumbona laphana ejoyina i-Kaizer Chiefs esuka ku-Orlando Pirates, uthi lana ukhuluma ngomfana okhulele ku-Orlando Pirates, uthi beka kuma-under 19s wabo, kuyebo yes, Orlando i-Pirates feeder team, manje sebayitshintshile igama layo, sukuyi-Orlando Pirates FC, idlala laphana ku-3rd division. Uthi befuna ukubona uThabiso Munyane ekhula laphana ku-Orlando Pirates as one of their own products. Siyazi ukuthi ufika na-12 or 13 uThabiso Munyane ku-Orlando Pirates, so it was surprising ukuthi bavele bamdedele kanjalo. So ukhulume ngokuthi uyabona ukuthi uThabiso Munyane useklile kahle laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, i-pressure ukuthi adlale ku-Kaizer Chiefs ayikho that much kuye. I think this trickles down to yena ukuthi ujwayele vele ukudlala in front of ama-fans because ubuya laphana ku-Orlando Pirates. Uthi ngeke asho ukuthi ubani o-right or o-wrong, but uthi as far as playing for Chiefs is concerned, uthi bonke bayabona ukuthi uThabiso Munyane is not affected or unaffected by i-pressure laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Qhubekile laphana uthi ngeke awazi ama-circumstances ukuthi wayahamba ku-Orlando Pirates. Uthi lo muntu lona watrainwa uDukuduku uJoseph Makhanya, naye ubuya laphana kuma-development structures we-Orlando Pirates. So uthi yammangaza kakhulu lento le ukuthi uThabiso Munyane ahambe ku-Orlando Pirates. I think manje into ethusa abantu kakhulu ukuthi uThabiso Munyane bafethu uperforma kahle kakhulu laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Uyabona ukuthi i-Orlando Pirates they lost bafethu, they really lost because decision making yabo ibe poor ukuthi ba-release uThabiso Munyane, basayine ubani umfethu la, uMashelwane, if ngisisho kahle isibongo sakhe, ku-Orlando Pirates, bamreplace ngomuntu waku-DD obuya mani kuBaroka FC, ku-National First Division, ohlulekile ukudlala. Uthi usifikela ku-Orlando Pirates wadlala ama-match ambalwa, umfana babona ukuthi akaseklili kahle, bamlona kuSkhukhune United. uLibitso uyadlala kuleya position, uVan Rooyen uyadlala kuleya position, but uVan Rooyen belimele for some time. So ku-Orlando Pirates was not even seen as a starter, but ku-Kaizer Chiefs udlala ngathi he has something to prove. Well, not to other people, but to himself, ukuthi angakwazi ukudlala to the highest level, ukuthi ku-Orlando Pirates azange bam-respect maybe that much ukuthi bakwazi ukumgcina. Kaizer Chiefs is taking that opportunity as one of the top right backs esinawo eSouth Africa. Sisibonile ukuthi sebaze bamselecta naku-national team laphana before alimala, beseqala ukucontribute nakubafana bafana, which is very important for yena umfana, nokukhulisa nje ibhola lakhe ukuthi he played for 2 Soweto Giants, into rare ukuthi yenzeke. uTeboho Mloyi-ke ubaba uTeboho Mloyi uqhubekile-ke laphana athi even umphathi we-Kaizer Chiefs wakwenza lokhu, but akusiyo into enormal ukuthi umuntu asuke kulokhunjana ku-Orlando Pirates aye ku-Kaizer Chiefs vice versa. Uthi yena as umfana waseSoweto, so uyawazi ama-dynamics ukuthi usuke, obvious it was just unheard of ukuthi uvele usuke. Abanye abadlali bake basuka but bambalwa kakhulu bafethu, so it was a big shock, a big surprise. Abantu be-Orlando Pirates abanye bathi uThabiso Munyane uhambe ku-Orlando Pirates because of ustruggle ngama-injuries. Guess what? Orlando Pirates nabo bastruggle ngama-injury, ama-right backs. uVan Rooyen ustruggle ngama-injuries. uLibitso naye was out for some time, and uLibitso already sekanabo ma-30 something, uThabiso Munyane kuma-mid-20s, 25, 26 lapho. Meaning that usasenabo ma-10 years ku-professional game if uzoziphatha kahle. But-ke ezinye-ke unconfirmed ukuthi uThabiso Munyane zikhona izinto bezenza behind closed doors or behind the scenes ezingaphathanga kahle i-Orlando Pirates, ezaslowa i-recovery yakhe ngoba kuthiwa beka-busy outside, nezinye izinto engeke ngizimenshine la. So Yeah man, but yeah, what a performance from Muthabiso Munyane. U-revive i-career yakhe. Abantu abaningi bamkhuluma kahle kakhulu ukuthi ukwazile ukuvuka laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs nokuperforma kahle kakhulu. I mean abantu, I think manje abantu sebazibuza more manje-ke manje ukuthi why Orlando Pirates imdedela, why Orlando Pirates imhambisile, cause manje I mean i-perfect signing. Even Matthew Booth nawe uyasho ukuthi I mean yeah, wenza kahle kakhulu, ayikho into ayenza wrong bafethu, everything nje ayenza ihamba kahle. I-Kaizer Chiefs akakaluzi by the way since edlala laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. I-Kaizer Chiefs is still undefeated since uThabiso Munyane edlala laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. So contribution yakhe ku-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu noma ngathi siyazama ukuyi-ignore but ayi-ignoreki. And what he did ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi when he got there obviously ka-inspire nabanye abantu. Se-inspire nabanye abantu abafana nabo-Solomons to up their game, to up their tempo. Every time they're given an opportunity to play, badlale and give everything that they have. Right? So yeah. And then uThabiso Moyane mekhuluma laphana bafowethu, after igame ye-Durban City ureflectile on igame and uthe ujabulile ngempela ukuthi abuye laphana egrawundini edlale. Nawo amagama wakhe uthe it feels good to be back. Ushilo ukuthi beka-out for 5 weeks laphana. Sikhumbule ukuthi early season laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs bene-form right kakhulu, badlale 5 games before alimala, but-ke uthi ujabule kakhulu ukubuya laphana ethimini ye-Kaizer Chiefs. Uthi ithimu-ke le ayidlalelayo i-motivated kakhulu, but uthi for bona as i-Kaizer Chiefs kumele bathathe i-advantage ukuthi mabedlale laphana kuma-home games i-momentum bayikhiphe, kusho ukuthi bakhuphule i-standards ze-Kaizer Chiefs. Uthi abafuni nje ukwenza amaphutha manje njengoba unyaka sewuzophela. Just before igame ye-Orbit kula bekakhuluma khona ukuthi kumele bamisele kakhulu umfana. Kubaluleke kakhulu for yena ne-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi baperforme kahle. Yeah, Thabiso Munyane, what a performance so far for i-Kaizer Chiefs. I mean udeserve everything le eza kuye. Ama-accolades, well akakatholi funny enough or surprisingly akakatholi ne-man of the match eyodwa laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, but-ke performance wise was surprised to see Orlando Pirates imhambisa. But Orlando Pirates, thing is Orlando Pirates is a different ball game bafowethu. I'm saying it's a different ball game because of mentally akufani ne-Kaizer Chiefs. Orlando Pirates kune-authority serious bafowethu. You could see ukuthi kumdlalo wakhona kumele aperform, kumele abe hard worker. So i-competition beyi-tough. I think uVan Rooyen mayefika, to be honest bafowethu, ku-Orlando Pirates ngibonile ukuthi uzosithatha lesa space lesa, and uVan Rooyen that time bebamselecta kakhulu kuBafana Bafana. So uThabiso Munyane isikhala sakhe sivele nje waba semuva kakhulu compared to amanye ama-player laphana. And then mase basayina-ke ubani uMashilwane, yes, if ngilisho kahle igama lakhe, ngiyaxolisa bafowethu, I'm not even reading this thing, so I wanna make sure ukuthi I get the name right. But yeah, I mean ku-Orlando Pirates maybe azange bayibone i-value kuye kakhulu, ngicabanga ukuthi maybe ama-injury wakhe azobuya. But-ke I mean what a player for i-Kaizer Chiefs, what a performance. But ngicela ukubamba lana ngicela ukubamba la, uyibamba lana ngizophinde ngibuye.